Hello, good evening. Good evening. Yes, nice to hear from you all after a short break. I think people are still joining. Oh, my voice is echoing. Oh God, it started. Oh, Shravani, tell me, is it okay? Hello. Okay, it's perfect. Thank you. Yes. How was your college exam? Oh, you missed my lectures. Oh, thank you so much. So am I. Oh, your unit test was great. Very good. Nice. So we will go back to our complex numbers. Last time, I think we did the sum which was based on square root. Yes, cube root of unity I will be doing today. Yes. Should I do that first? Okay. So we'll start with cube roots of unity. Okay, we start with that. Because a few parts are not there. And we have decided that whatever is in the HSC, because you will be having your college exams and all, so we will concentrate on what is there for HSC. In the scope of that, I will be completing first, and later on, whatever I want to tell you extra, we will conduct extra lectures. That's what we decide. All right. So cube root of unity. Unity, that is equal, cube root of unity. Unity is 1. So we are going to find out cube roots of unity. I assume that as x. Now, if I've got square root, I square. If I've got cube roots, I take cubes on both sides. So this will become cubing both sides. X cube is equal to 1. Therefore, x cube minus 1 cube is equal to 0. So you will be factorizing by a cube minus b cube. So it is a minus b, a ka square plus product of the two, which is x, plus dusre ka square is equal to 0. A minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. So either x minus 1 is 0 or x squared plus x plus 1 is 0. Now, one of the roots, that is x is equal to 1. So which is, I will say it is a real root. Now it is a quadratic equation in x. So it is going to have two roots. So let us get the two roots of this equation. Now compare it with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. That will give you value of a as 1, b is also 1, and c is also 1. So to use the formula, first I get b square minus 4ac. So b square minus 4ac, which gives you negative 3. So when the value of the discriminant is less than 0, it is negative. The roots are non-real. They are complex cube roots. Now, this is the real root, and this equation will give us two complex cube roots of unity. So there will be three roots, out of which one is going to be the real one. The other two are complex. Now I use the formula. I write the formula this: minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac upon 2a minus 1 plus minus, yes, I will. Now you know what is square root of minus 3? It is square root of 3 into minus 1. So square root of 3 into square root of minus 1, this is I. So this is going to be I root 3, not 3I. Okay? I repeat, we are starting cube roots of unity. Which is cube root of unity, you take it as x, cubing both sides. Are you writing? All of you writing with me? Okay. Yes, Karthik. So a cube minus b cube, say you factorize a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. No problem, Ayush. That's why I have started from the beginning. So are you done with this step, this step, this step, and this step? Anybody? Yes. All of you finished? Great. So after factorizing, we put first bracket is 0 or second bracket is 0. Now first bracket is 0 gives me the real value of x. So this is a real root. So cube roots of unity. So there are 3 roots out of which one is real, that is 1. And the other 2 are hidden in this quadratic equation. X square plus x plus 1 is equal to 0. Now we compare it with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. I get the value of the discriminant as negative 3. Anybody still to write this? Okay, Ayush. What are you writing? B square minus 4ac? Okay. So we substitute in the formula and we get 2 complex cube roots at minus 1, a plus. I showed you here 3 into minus 1. It is I root 3. It is not 3I. And the other one is minus 1 minus I root 3 upon 2. A cube minus B cube. Shubham, do you want that step? Okay. See. See, you want me to write the formula by the side? A cube minus B cube is a पहला minus दूसरा into पहले का square plus पहला into दूसरा plus दूसरे का square. Right? So here A is x and B is 1. So x minus 1 into x square plus x plus 1 is equal to 0. Shubham, are you clear? After that step, oh, okay. After that step you want, okay. So when the product of the two is 0, either pehla wala is 0 or dusra wala is 0. So first bracket 0 is giving me the value of x as 1, which is real root. And now I'm solving x square plus x plus 1 is equal to 0. This is a quadratic equation. Oh, you understood. Very good. So you got b square minus 4ac. The value of the discriminant is negative. So roots are not real. I use the formula. I substitute. So I get, so there are 3 cube roots of unity. One is this. Second one is this. Normally we call complex cube roots as alpha and beta. ये है मेरा अल्फा, ये है मेरा बीटा. So ये दो है complex cube roots of unity. Other one, third one is of unity. And ये है real root. So are you clear about complex cube roots of unity, everybody? Is that anyone who has not understood yet to copy? Understood? Now here, no, many a times in exam, they ask you to prove if alpha and beta are complex cube roots of unity, prove that alpha square is beta and beta square is alpha. ये प्रूव करने के लिए बहुत बार पूछते हैं. Samarpit, you finished copying everything? Okay, great. Anybody else yet to copy or write? Now we have to prove alpha square is beta. So I copied alpha and then I'm squaring both sides. So alpha ka square is right side ka square. कैसे आता है ना? पहले का स्क्वायर प्लस दूसरे का स्क्वायर प्लस 2 into पहला into दूसरा. This is first. This is my A and this is my B. Middle sign is plus. So it is A ka square plus B ka square plus 2AB upon 2 square is 4. Everybody gets that? All of you are okay? Can I go ahead, please? Anybody still writing? I can wait. Tuhin, yes. Very good. You got this? Ashwat, done. Very good. So चलो इसका स्क्वायर करते हैं. -1 का स्क्वायर इज प्लस. नाउ I√3 का स्क्वायर करेंगे हम लोग. I√3 का स्क्वायर साइड में. So it is I square into √3 का स्क्वायर. ये लिखने का नहीं है. I square is -1, √3 square is 3. So it is -3. Then 2AB, so plus into minus, so it is -2I√3 divided by 4. So ये हो गया -4 -2I√3 upon 4. So you can take 2 common. -2 हो गया, sorry, not minus. So take 2 common, -1 -I√3. 4 is 2 into 2, so 1, 2 cancels. So let me show you what is beta. See, is it not your beta? Ye dekho. That is your value of alpha square. Yeah? Therefore, you get alpha square is equal to beta, hence true. Now similarly, अपने को अभी प्रूव करना है बीटा स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू अल्फा. So beta ka square is -1 -I√3 upon 2 the whole square. You can also try on your own. पहले का square -1 का square प्लस दूसरे का square. ये लिखने की जरूरत है. I√3 का square. This is your A and this is your B and A minus B bracket square. I mean A का square plus B का square minus 2AB. 2 square is 4. So this is plus 1. I root 3 ka square, we have already seen it's minus 3. Correct? You got that? Yeah, a is minus 1. 2ab, yeah. That's why it is plus 2I root 3 divided by 4. I'm just trying to fit in here only. So 1 minus 3 is minus 2. So you can take 2 common. Minus 1 plus I root 3 upon 4 is 2 into t. ये गया. तो alpha. Hence your beta square आया मेरा alpha. Hence proof. Okay? Everybody complete that. Anyone who wants to see from the beginning? Done? Please forward beta, Lohit. You want to see something else or should I go ahead? Okay, great. Oh, okay. You want to see from starting? मतलब यहां से देखना है एकदम cube root of x is 1, x cube is 1, a cube minus b cube, 1 real root. Oh, you got it? Very good. Anybody else who wants? You're welcome. Alpha square is beta and beta square is alpha. You know, normally we denote cube root of unity by writing omega. You must have heard of this, omega. So what would be the properties of omega? Omega cube will be 1 because omega, in place of x where I have written, we denote by omega. So omega is cube root of unity. So cubing both sides, you get omega cube is 1. Then real value of omega, so that is we are taking complex cube root. So real value of x wo jo aayega, that is 1. Abhi complex roots were given by 1 plus x square equal to 0. Complex cube root की बात करें तो x के जगह omega. So 1 plus omega square is 0. Correct? So any sum can be solved using these two. If omega represents complex cube root of unity, then omega cube is 1 and 1 plus omega square is equal to 0. Is that clear? You want me to write this complex cube root of unity. So just understand these two are very important. Omega cube is 1 and 1 plus omega square is 0. That you will need even in the matrices 12th standard. Okay, now we are going to find we will be doing some sums based on omega to evaluate or to find the value of 1. Omega raised to 18. You want to try? I can write the sums for you. It is like I, you had I as I square minus 1, I cube is minus I raised to 4 is plus 1. And we could write in any form. So you will be writing in a multiple of a cube. So it is a cube raised to 6. So a cube is, up now, omega cube is 1. So it is 1 raised to 6. Your value is 1. Correct? You directly भी कर सकते हो. If you are confused, you can write like this also. And write this as omega cube 35. Correct? Omega cube is 1. So 1 raised to 35 is 1. So 1 upon 1, your answer is 1. You could directly also write. Yes, yes. Both the answers are right. Understood. Very good. Now, regarding this complex cube roots of unity, we'll be doing the sums, to show that तो तुम लोगों को अभी ये साल होगा नहीं. But जैसे कि to show that ही होगा and उसका RHS will be one of the options. Okay? So you have to show that 2 minus omega into 2 minus omega square is equal to 7. ये prove करना है अपने को. Prove it. You want me to explain one sum and you want to try the next, or you want to try this sum? See whether you all got this. You understood what I did? I copied the left hand side, 2 minus omega into 2 minus omega square. Then it is 2 into second bracket minus omega into second bracket. Then multiply. 2 into 2 is 4. This into this is minus 2 omega square. This into this is minus 2 omega. Minus into minus plus omega into omega square is omega cube. Now we have only two things in hand. Omega cube is 1 and 1 plus omega square is 0. So इसको पहले 1 डालो. ये दोनों, ये 4 ऐसे के वैसा. अभी from these two terms I am taking negative 2 common. So बचा omega plus omega square. So use this identity. 1 plus omega square is 0. So omega plus omega square is going to be minus 1. So in place of this, I substituted minus 1. So minus minus plus. So 5 plus 2, that is 7, that is my RHS. Hence proof. All of you followed? Great. ये तो easy वाला है. Are you trying? Superb. Somebody is saying it right. 1 plus omega square. Huh? Yes, doing very good. So first you must have copied this. ये minus है ना इधर का. ये वैसे के वैसा. Use 1 plus omega square is 0. So 1 plus omega है ये part. ये omega square उधर जाएगा तो ये आएगा minus omega square. So minus omega square, yes, you're right, yes. Minus omega square is minus 2 times omega square. So it is minus 2 raised to 6 into omega square raised to 6. Abhi I'm writing in same line. So minus 2 raised to 6 is 64. Omega raised to 12, which is 64 omega cube raised to 4. Omega cube is 1. एक लाइन पे लिखा मैंने अपने चलता है RHS so that you all can see. See if anybody has a doubt. To show that please try this. Yes. Learn means yes. Otherwise, you will have to derive, na, if you don't remember. You have to remember only two things. Omega cube is 1, and 1 plus omega square is 0. That's it. Oh, you got it already. Very good. Super. See, while writing LHS only, I am breaking now. What I will do is 3 plus 3 omega 3 को अच्छा लगता है तो ये break करो ऐसे. यहाँ बाकी 2 ही है ना. 2 omega square तो 6 omega है तो मैंने break किया. 3 है ना. इसमें 3 common. So it is 1 plus omega square. All of you did it ना. ये तो 0 हो रहा है. ये भी 0 हो रहा है. मतलब in short, this entire thing becomes 0. You just mention that since 1 plus omega square is 0. So ये तो 0 plus this. So it is 2 omega square का 6, 4 omega का cube. Did it? So this is 2 raised to 6, which is 64. Omega raised to 12 hai. So omega cube raised to 4. 4 cube is 64, omega cube. No, omega cube is 1. तो ये 1 raised to 4 भी तो ये 1 ही है. So it is 64 minus 64, which is 0, which is your RHS. Hence go. Got it? Means if the other two, they have 3 as a number, constant with it. Coefficient of, see, 3 is a constant here, is a coefficient of omega is 3. So I broke this as 3 omega square and this, so that I could group these and they all turn 0. Similarly, 2 hai, 2 omega square hai, so this I broke as 2 omega and 4 omega. Everybody followed? Anyone you had to write? I can wait, otherwise I'll go ahead. Okay, done. All of you have done it? Great, Shreya. Yes. You tell me, anybody still writing, then tell me. Otherwise, I'll start with the next sum. Ashwat, Tuhin, you people haven't written anything. Are you done with the sums? Great. Okay, thank you. Then you do this fourth one to show that. Understood. Good. A plus B omega plus C omega square upon C plus A omega plus B omega square is equal to omega square. All of you are getting, otherwise I can do. Should I explain? You know what I think? My RHS, I want omega square. So that should be the part of the LHS. So omega square is not there. So I forcibly take omega square. So in short, I am multiplying and dividing each by omega square. I'm taking out common. So यहाँ आएगा A upon omega square. B omega is there. So it will come B upon omega. देखो multiply करके देखो ये A है. I'm not changing. B omega B upon omega है. Correct? तो ये मेरा B omega हो गया. And it will be C. Correct? Got it? All of you? I took omega square common from the numerator. So यहाँ omega square नहीं था, तो it was like I wrote a omega square upon omega square. ये मैंने बाहर निकाला करके ये बचा. b omega था, समझा? So मैंने यहाँ ऊपर नीचे omega square से multiply किया. ओमेगा से. तो आई गॉट ओमेगा स्क्वायर, ये बाहर आया तो b बाय ओमेगा आया. ये तो सीधा बेचारा बाहर आया. ओके ग्रेट. अभी कॉमन सेंस क्या बोलता है? दिस ब्रैकेट शुड बी सेम एज दिस, देन माय आंसर विल बी ओमेगा स्क्वायर. तो अभी वो डायरेक्शन में सोचो. Many a times, if it doesn't strike you, just apply logic. How do I show them equal? See, ऐसे सोचो, मुझे a बाय ओमेगा स्क्वायर है, उसको मुझे a ओमेगा तक लेके जाना है. तो एक टर्म का सोचो, बाकी अपने आप आ जाती. सो a बाय ओमेगा स्क्वायर को इफ आई मल्टीप्लाई बाय ओमेगा क्यूब, मेरा a ओमेगा बन जाता है. But can I just multiply by omega cube? Yes, I can. Since omega cube is 1 and anything into 1 is the same number. So ये अगर मैं LHS का ये जो न्यूमरेटर का ब्रैकेट है a upon omega square plus b upon omega plus c, ये है, इसको मैं ओमेगा क्यूब से मल्टीप्लाई करूं बिकॉज इट इज 1. करेक्ट? अदरवाइज आई वाज नॉट इन अ पोजीशन टू डू इट. बट ओमेगा क्यूब इज 1, so I'm multiplying by 1, so I don't have to multiply numerator and denominator both. Okay? Understood? All of you got it? So keeping omega square as it is, this into this will be a omega. 1 omega will cancel, it will be b omega square plus c omega cube. C omega cube is c into 1, which is c only. Correct? Upon c plus a omega plus b omega square cancel. Omega square, which is your RHS, hence proved. एक बार पूरा देख लो. This is the numerator, this is the denominator. Numerator से मैंने omega square common निकाला because that is my required RHS. So it's like I multiplied ऊपर नीचे by omega square. Here I multiplied ऊपर नीचे by omega, and this is as it is. Then I will not touch this omega square. I have to cancel logically. Yes, you can do by any other method. Yes, 100%. You can do by another 3-4 methods actually. I just want to show you that how you can play with omega cube. That's why I'm just sticking to this method. Okay? Anybody who has not understood, so this bracket is like k. So k into 1 is k only. So it is like you have it into 1. 1 के जगह तुम लोगों ने k omega cube डाला. इसको हाथ नहीं लगाया, इसको हाथ नहीं लगाया. Then you multiply this by this, and this by this. Multiply करते वक्त c into omega cube also I have shown it is c into 1, so it is c. Is it clear? Great. Anybody copying, writing, solving, whatever? Otherwise, I'll give you the next one to try. Everyone finished this? Anybody who's copying, or should I wait? You tell me. Okay, done, great. Okay. I'll give you the next one. Now you try, huh? This is sum number 5, I think. To show that. It's a very easy sum, you will get it easily. Square ही है. Scroll a little up. Yes. Is it enough, Shravani, or you want a little more? Done. Okay. Try this. A plus B the whole square plus A omega plus B omega square the whole square plus A omega square plus B omega the whole square is 6AB. Omega raised to 4 जहां जहां है you can put it as omega. I have written here. ये देखो. Done ना? Very good तो है. And omega cube की जगह 1. A square omega plus B square omega square plus 2AB. तो 2AB, 2AB, 2AB. उसको पकड़ो पहले because you need 6AB. A square वाले सब साथ में. ये देखो ये भी था. तो उसमें से A square कॉमन 1 प्लस ओमेगा स्क्वायर प्लस ओमेगा. B स्क्वायर वाले साथ में ये है एंड लास्ट वाला है. ये देखो. बट 1 प्लस ओमेगा स्क्वायर इज 0. मतलब ये भी 0, ये भी 0. मतलब ये पूरा पार्ट विल बी 0. करेक्ट. 6AB, which is your RHS, henceforth. Did everyone get this? Good. Anyone who's still writing this? Yes, Ravani, bolo. Writing, okay. Okay, no problem. I understood. Anyone else? Ravani, let me know when you complete. And anyone else who's still writing? Done. Shravani says, it's done. Anybody else? I can wait. You have to just tell me. Done? Scroll it up from the beginning. If anybody wants to see. Now the next sum. Find the value of you have to just find the value of this. This is very simple. See, you know only two things from complex cube roots of unity. यही यूज करना है, इसको ही ढूंढना है हर एक सम में. ये दोनों में माइनस साइन कॉमन निकालो तो अपने को मिलेगा ओमेगा प्लस ओमेगा स्क्वायर. ये देखो, एंड यहाँ ऑलरेडी प्लस वाले दो साथ में हैं. करेक्ट? यस, somebody's got it. ये तो इनकरेक्ट. सो तुम्हारा ओमेगा प्लस ओमेगा स्क्वायर के बदले सब्स्टिट्यूट करो -1 एंड 1 प्लस ओमेगा स्क्वायर के बदले में सब्स्टिट्यूट करो माइनस ओमेगा. करेक्ट? ब्रैकेटिंग शुड बी प्रॉपर. सो ये है मेरा -1 एंड ये है मेरा माइनस ओमेगा. Yes, 0 is the right answer. So 1 plus 1, that is 2q. Correct? Minus 2 omega the whole cube. Minus 2 omega the whole cube. So it is 8 minus of minus 2 ka cube is -8 and omega cube is 1. Oh, यहाँ तो प्लस है नहीं का, बीच में प्लस है. So 8 minus 8, your answer is 0. 0 is the right answer. Yeah, it is plus in between. You're right. I've written it here. Correct? You got it? Understood. Try this. It's very easy. Which step better? I took -1 common. कहाँ पे? ये? Are you talking about this? Shubham, what are you saying? I took -1. ये value of omega plus omega square. See here. 1 plus omega square is 0. So in place of omega plus omega square, I substituted minus 1, which is this. Followed? शुभम तो ये -1 है and ये 1 वैसे के वैसा. What you did not understand, tell me. Do you follow this one as it is? Huh? Shubham, answer me this. Yes, Shreya, answer is 1, that's right. Shubham, you tell me, this one is this one here. You understand or no? Shubham? Ashwath, answer is right. Shubham, please answer me. 1 plus. Why? Yeah, so plus into minus is minus only, beta. What you are saying is, here I should be writing 1 plus like this, na? Correct. बराबर है. तो ये क्या है? ओमेगा प्लस ओमेगा स्क्वायर. ये -1 है ना? So minus into minus तो प्लस होगा ना? So this will be 2 cube. This is what I have written. Are you still unclear about it? This is the right way of writing. Plus and minus हम लोग साथ साथ में. Okay, understood. Good. You all got this? 1 plus omega square and all? See, simple. 1 plus omega square is 0. Then you have omega cube is 1. Then omega raised to 4 is omega cube into omega. That we have seen. Correct? And what is omega raised to 8? Omega cube ka square into omega square. So 1 cube, ye omega square hai. So this is what I have used. I mean, this is what you should be using. So you Hello, are you able to hear me now? There was a network issue, looks like. Oh, great. Thank you. I have solved this. You got that answer? One, everybody got, I think, na? Right. Now there is no internet. Network is full. Yes, good. Okay. All of you are in? 1 minute. Huh? It's getting blocked again. 1 minute. What's happening? It's getting blocked. My screen is now it's moving. Good. Okay. Now this type of sums we did last time. Express. You remember? -1 plus √3i. Have I done the same sum or different sum? In polar form and exponential form. -1 plus √3i. Do you remember this? You take it as x plus yi. That gives you the value of x as -1, y as √3. So first we find r, square root of x square plus y square. So it is 2. Then we find cos theta, we find sin theta. Do you remember how to find cos theta? X upon r. And sin theta is y upon r. So your cos theta is negative and sin theta is positive. What does it imply? Who will tell me? Cos is, yes, superb answer, very good. Theta lies in second quadrant. Do you remember I had given you the formulas in all 4 quadrants? So you have to just forget the negative sign for time being and tell me what is the value of alpha. Cos of what is? Cos of what is half and sine of, yes, 2 pi by 3 because it's in the second quadrant. I'm explaining you in general. Sine of what is √3 by 2. So this angle I call it as alpha, which is 60 degrees. अगर फर्स्ट क्वाड्रेंट में है तो डायरेक्ट आंसर लिखना है, सेकेंड क्वाड्रेंट में है तो इसका सप्लीमेंट लिखना है, पाई माइनस अल्फा, थर्ड क्वाड्रेंट में है तो पाई प्लस अल्फा. डू यू रिमेंबर दिस? आई टोल्ड यू लास्ट टाइम. Therefore, your theta will become pi minus 60. That is 2 pi by 3 radians. So to write in polar form, I need r and I need theta. All of you clear? So how do you write the polar form of any complex number? We write it as z r into cos theta plus I sin theta. Perfect. Very good. Yes. So r is 2. Cos theta is 2 pi by 3. Sin is 2 pi by 3. ये है polar form. This is your answer. Don't simplify. If you simplify, you will go back to your x plus yi. This is polar form. Correct? All of you got it? Compare the given. Yes. See, you have to express the given complex number in polar form and in exponential form. So given number, we call it as x plus yi. Comparing real and imaginary parts, I write the values of x and y. Then I get my r, cos theta and sin theta. R is square root of x square plus y square. Cos theta is x by r. Sin theta is y by r. Now we have to see which quadrant it lies in. If it is first quadrant, directly take value of theta. Second quadrant, pi minus alpha. Third quadrant, pi plus alpha. And fourth quadrant, 2 pi minus alpha. Alpha is neglecting the signs. You have to check which angle holds good, which values hold good for that particular angle. जैसे यहाँ 60 degrees के हैं values. So pi minus pi by 3. All of you are clear? Shravani, could you copy everything? Screen is lagging. Very clear. Okay. Polar form हो गया. Now we have to do exponential form. What is exponential form बोलो? E raised to I theta into R. Exponential form Z is R into E raised to I theta. R का value है 2. Theta is 2 pi by 3 into I. Correct? ये exponential form. Super. Correct? Now we'll do the next sum. Express in x plus iy. अभी उल्टा दिया है, पोलर में दिया है. √2 into cos of 7 pi by 4. 7 pi by 4. Simple है, but we have to cover all types of sums. ये है r and ये है theta. Now what is 7 pi by 4? It is 2 pi minus pi by 4. So it is in fourth quadrant. You know, fourth quadrant mein cos of 2 pi minus theta, same as cos of theta. So cos 7 pi by 4 will be cos of pi by 4, which is 1 by √2. Everybody clear? And sine, yes, I can scroll up, yes. Still more, Uttara? Done, thank you, okay. Sine 2 pi minus theta is minus sine of theta. So it's going to be minus sine of pi by 4. So it's going to be minus 1 by √2. So मैंने क्या क्या तैयार किया? Cos 7 pi by 4 का value is 1 by √2. And sine 7 pi by 4 का value is minus 1 by √2. So which we need to substitute. So it's simple. So it is √2. इसका value है 1 by √2. √2 से मल्टीप्लाई करो. So ये आ गया तुम्हारा 1 minus. Perfect. Very good. You know one thing, na, Z bar is called the conjugate of Z. A plus bi का conjugate होता है A minus bi. You're clear about that, na? Now convert exponential form to polar form. सब forms इधर से उधर हम लोग कर रहे हैं. Polar form. इसका आंसर ये आ गया मेरा. Can I give you the sum? You should always compare with so that will give you the value of r as 1. r and theta निकालो कि तुम लोग का आधा काम तो हो गया. और ये x प्लस आई वाई में भी करो एक सम तो वो सब हो जाएगा उसमें. r and theta निकाला के then it is very simple for you to write. पोलर फॉर्म में तो कुछ दम ही नहीं है. हाउ डू राइट पोलर फॉर्म बोलो. r into cos theta plus I sin theta. So value of r is 1 here. Yeah. Now go up to x plus yi. Now what is cos of minus theta? Same as cos of theta. So cos of minus 4 pi by 3 is same as cos 4 pi by 3, which is cos of pi plus pi by 3. Correct? Are you getting it? So cos of pi plus theta goes in the third quadrant. Third quadrant mein cos is negative. So minus cos of pi by 3. So ये हो गया minus half. All right. अभी साइन निकालो. Sine of minus theta minus sine of theta. Sine of minus 4 pi by 3 is minus sine of 4 pi by 3, which is minus. Now what is 4 pi by 3? Pi plus pi by 3. Now what is sine of pi plus theta? Sine of pi plus, again third quadrant mein sine is negative. So minus sine of pi by 3. So minus minus plus हो गया. So it is root 3 by 2. Perfect. So मेरा cos theta आया, मेरा sin theta आया. So r is 1 into cos theta, which has come minus half, plus I sin theta is root 3 by 2. So comparing it with x plus yi, your x will be minus half and y will be root 3 by 2. X plus yi में लिखा तो ये आंसर यही छोड़ने का. That one also is not to be written here. Okay, this I wrote because suppose if this value is not 1, then you will multiply and write answer. Okay, clear? And I think whatever we need for HSC, we have completed complex numbers in all respects. All right? Chalo, thank you so much. Now we'll meet on Tuesday, practice complex numbers very well and just revise all the forms of complex numbers and especially complex cube roots of unity. All right. Thank you so much. Bye-bye. Have a nice day. So happy to meet you all after a long time. Bye-bye.